Hey boys, Miss Mackey here with directions for week 2 assignments. All of your assignments are going to be on Google Slides this week. So this will just be a quick run through of what it will look like. So first thing I'll draw your attention to is page 1. So there will be a video of me here, but I'm recording it right now. So it's not there yet, but you'll click this video. Good job. Step 1. Down here in this purple box, can you read it from this far away? Me neither. So I'm coming up to this little tab right here that says zoom. It's a little button. And I can zoom in. That's going to help you with your reading over here as well. So please use this tool. So down here is a list of these things called scaffolds. So scaffolds are just different ways that I as a teacher can help support you. Not all of you need them because each of us learn differently and need different supports. But down here, if you need, so today, this week's prompt is going to be narrative. It means you're going to write a story. And in stories, we know there's dialogue. So for those of you who forgot what dialogue was, aren't really sure how to punctuate it, are confused on how to use it, I've left 2 links to YouTube videos that will help you. Okay, so you may click there if you need it. If not, don't worry. Narrative transition words, for those of you that forgot or want to see a nice list of the words that you can use in your essay, I've got a link to some transition words there. An example narrative text. So I have an example of a writing narrative that a 6th grader did. And so you may click there to get access to that, just to see what another 6th grader has written. Or if you need help with planning your narrative and you want someone to give you a graphic organizer to fill in, I've left you a link to a graphic organizer that you'll need to make your own copy of, but you may use that. Okay. So that's what this purple box is. It is only there if you need it. If you do not need it, you can move right on, but I want you to know that it's there because that's what I'll direct you to if you come to me with questions. Okay, so assignment for this week, it will all be about this article entitled Robot Invasion. So you'll read this, it's a 1-page article. If you look over here, this is the audio of me reading the article to you. So if I press play, you would hear my voice reading this article aloud to you. I also might include a link over here to me reading it that I have on YouTube. Once you are done reading, I've got 4 questions for you for Monday. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. You will read the question. Here's another audio of me reading those questions aloud. And let's say you think the answer to number 1 is C. You will come down here and write C in that box, okay? So I just want the letter, don't type it out. And then boom, you're done. That's day 1. Day 2, we published on Google Classroom. Day 2, so Tuesday's question, same article, Robot Invasion, 4 new questions about it. So according to the text, what is the technical meaning of this? You'll write your answer. This one, you'll have to type out some sentences to answer that. Same here. Then you'll put the letter. And then boom, done with day 2. So overall, 8 questions about that article. And then day 3, this is Wednesday's work. So again, article will start it off. And then you will do a Flipgrid assignment. If you click this video, it's a tutorial of me explaining how to use Flipgrid for those of you that don't know how to use it. So don't worry about that. That's what you guys will be talking about. And so that's day 3. Day 4 will be planning. Day 5 will be your final essay, okay? So that's what this week's assignments will look like. If you have any questions, please email, call me. We can Google Hangout or Google Meet, or we can video chat. I found that really helpful with some students. So please let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, you can get started on day 1's work, reading this article and answering these 4 questions. Good luck, prepsters.